Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Pikachu Summer Surprise Fold. Now if you guys have any more Pokemon ideas, definitely send them my way because I always have fun drawing all the different characters. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our Summer Pikachu Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to start by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line it up one more time, give it another nice fold. Now when we open this up, we have these nice guidelines that show us where we want to keep the inside of our drawing, like this. And I like to turn it this way so I can open it up for that fun surprise. Now to start off with this, we need to make a circle. And I've got this small paint palette here, and I like to use this for my Pokeball circles. So I'm just going to start by tracing this. So let's go ahead and trace the top. And then we can trace the bottom. And if you don't have anything to trace, that's okay. You can just draw a nice big sad face and a smiley face. Now, right in the middle here, I'm going to draw our sad face and a nice happy face on the top and bottom of the fold. That'll be kind of like the button for our Pokeball. Now, because this is like a summer Pokeball, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of turn this into a little sun. So I'm just going to make some zigzag lines right around here. And I'm making them like a little bit different sizes. And then we can do that same thing down here. We're just going to make some different sizes for a little like fun little sun. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes across, and I'm going to bring it to here. And then I'll do the same thing. Let's make a line across, and another line across. Next, what I want to do down here is I'm going to make kind of like a little bit of a wavy line for like some sand. And then I'm going to make like a wavy line here for some water. That way we kind of have like a little beach theme going on there. And then I'm going to add just a couple little extra wavy lines in here for a little bit of detail. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open this up, we have two halves of our little summer Pokeball. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to make a line that comes up on each side. And then let's just make a nice straight line across to connect it. I can do that same thing here, little line down past the fold, same thing here. Then let's go ahead and make that nice little line across. Then what we want to do is let's connect our sun down here. And then let's make a few more of our little sunshine rays there. Same thing here, just bring the little half circle up and then make some more of these little sunshine rays. Now, once we have that in here, we are going to begin by making Pikachu in here. So, let's start off by making the top of his head. So I'm going to use this fold line as a little guide. So I'm going to go ahead and make a line that's just going to go up and down like this. Next, I'm going to come down and in, and then down and then in here. Then what I'm going to do is let's bring this line in just a little bit more on each side. And then we're going to make a nice little V shape. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come out on each side for his arms. Then I'm going to go down and then in. We'll do that same thing. Let's go down and in. We're going to make it look like he's wearing like a Hawaiian shirt. Then I'm going to come down here, and we'll make a little line that comes down. Okay, so right up here, let's go ahead and make like the details on him. So the first thing we're going to do is let's give him some sunglasses. So I'm going to make a nice line that goes right across. And then I'm going to make one big smiley face and then a second big smiley face right here. I'll make a line here and a line here. And then I'm going to make a little curve here. I'm going to make two diagonal lines in here, and then I'm going to put two here. And then we can go ahead and just kind of color in right around those lines. Okay, now once that's done, let's go ahead and make Pikachu's nose. So we're just going to go ahead and make like the little tiny oval for the nose. And then we're going to make his mouth. I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up and then down and up. Then we're going to make a nice big smiley face and a little sad face for the tongue. Then I'm going to put a little curve here for his chin. Let's make an oval shape on each side over here for the cheeks. Then let's make it look like he's wearing a hat. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to make a big oval shape that's going to come out. We're going to go around and come back to here. Then we'll make another little line right across here. Let's go ahead and put a sad face on here for the top. And I'll make a little line across. For the ears, let's make a nice big pointed skinny oval shape on each side. And then let's go ahead and make a little curve for the detail on the ears. Now for his little hands, let's bring a line that's going to come out, and I'm going to curve this around for like a thumb. And then I'll do that same thing here. I'm going to bring this out and then kind of curve it around. Now right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. I'm going to make it a little wiggly. Then I'm going to go down and up. It looks like he's holding an ice cream cone. Next, I'm going to make a nice big bump on here for the ice cream cone. I'm going to make a little bump there. And then a little line that comes down. Then right on top of here, I'm going to make a little circle. Then I'm going to make a line that goes over. It's going to jump over it and come to here, and then same thing, over, down, and come to here. So it kind of looks like a little pokeball ice cream cone. And then I'm going to add a couple little lines on here. Then over here, I'm just going to make a little curve for his hand, and I'm going to bring this back down. Now, on his shirt, we want this to kind of look like a little Hawaiian shirt. So what I'm going to do is all around here, I'm just going to make these little bumpy shapes all around here for like some flowers. You can make some full ones, or you can make kind of like half ones on here. So we're just going to kind of put these all around on our little Pikachu. Next, I'm going to make his tail. So I'm going to go up and down, up and down. Then I'm going to go up and then down here. Then we'll kind of bring this in and we'll just kind of make that zigzag line again. Now, just to add a couple fun things around here, let's put a little beach ball up here. So I'm going to make a little circle shape. We'll make a small circle inside of here. And then we're going to make a couple little lines that come down. And there you go. There is your drawing of a little Summer Pikachu Surprise Fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our little Summer Pokeball, and then when you open it, we've got Summer Pikachu popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.